So friend, hello and welcome back to my channel. A new Google Pixel 10 and Pixel 10 Pro leaked renders shows all angles. Another day, another batch of leaked pixel renders. This time we have the Pixel 10 and Pixel 10 Pro in one color each, but shown from a multitude of angles. The Pixel 10 is being portrayed in the colorway that will be known as frost and is still whitish like the hue that Google likes to call porcelain, but ever so slightly different. The Pixel 10 has a very similar design to the Pixel 9, but the part of the camera island that actually houses the camera is now elegant thanks to the presence of a third sensor this time around and a telephoto. And while that's great news, rumors has it other two cameras might be getting a downgrade as a consequence, presumably to keep the price in check. And the Pixel 10 Pro is much more similar to the Pixel 9 Pro, and is shown here is the obsidian color, which is basically black or dark grey as usual. The Pixel 10 Pro in obsidian will have a matte glass back and a glossy metal frame. In contrast, the Pixel 10 will get a matte frame too, and the Pixel 10 Pro will also be offered in porcelain, jade and moonstone. The Pixel 10 will also come in obsidian, indigo and limoncello, and all Pixel 10 devices will be powered by the Tensor G5 SoC, Google's first to be made by the TSMC and not Samsung. The Pixel 10 family is being announced on August 20. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.